Reuse, recycling and traceability. Reuse is where the item is used for a new function. Textile recycling is the method of reusing or reprocessing used clothing, fibrous material and clothing scraps from the manufacturing process. Upcycling is the action or process where an existing raw material or waste, such as cutting waste, used clothing and overstock, is given added value and also a higher quality. Downcycling is the opposite of upcycling. In this case, the products are still recycled, but are converted into less valuable products. Traceability is the ability to trace the whole life cycle of a product from the raw material to disposal and recycle, if done. Reuse is about swap, rent, lease textile products or buy seconds. One example is Buy Mud Jeans in the Netherlands. Mud Jeans introduced the pioneering lease a jeans model in 2013. In their model, the consumer pays a monthly fee to lease a jeans. After 12 months paying the monthly fee, the renter can keep their jeans, swap them for a new pair or send them back. After the free return label has been used, the company starts the process of making new jeans from the old ones, keeping the materials in a closed loop. Top Textile Switchover Process. Atelier is a collective research project in Belgium who wants to show that it's profitable, scalable and market-friendly to make high-quality products from low-quality textile waste streams. The solutions offered by Top Atelier represent a first step in establishing sustainable relationships within the industry, specifically for upcycling. Paul Josephi is one of the 5 designer partners in the Top Atelier project that experiments with embroideries and fabric manipulation on second-hand men's shirts. They focus on the upcycling of dead stock, leftover and second-hand fabric and garments and gives them an added value of high quality. ESG stands for European Spinning Group, and is a family-owned textile group with over 100 employees, located in Flanders, Belgium. ESG found a way to reduce textile waste by reusing and upcycling. ESG initiated the hashtag #HackYourJeans movement towards a sustainable textile and fashion industry, where post-consumer denim are shredded into recycled fibers. This raw material is spun into yarns ready for weaving or knitting new cloth. Some results of the Hack Your Jeans projects are HNST, Anna, Blue Loop Originals, Genius Socks, and Trugbers. Downcycling refers to recycling a material into a lower value product. Examples of downcycling include recycling used garments into non-woven textiles for building insulation, such as thermal insulation from Lumi materials, rags, carpet underlay, or acoustic panels like the Flex Felt system from Bow. There have been various efforts to come up with a solution for traceability and promote higher transparency in the supply chain. Some examples are integrated textile manufacturing houses. An integrated production, from fiber to final garment, makes the traceability easier to a certain extent. Textile Genesis, a textile company that provides a platform custom built, mainly aiming to offer solutions of traceability for the textile and apparel sectors. QR codes and RFID chips have been used as traceability tools by several brands.